Hello kids, welcome to our English class. Children, in today's class we will learn about various different words of letter of vowel O. Let's sing our vowel song. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. They help you read. They help you read. Sing aloud. Vowels are the best. Sing aloud. Vowels are the best. Without vowels, no word. Without vowels, no word. Let us all sing aloud. Very good, children. Lovely. Let us add O and P together. O and P together becomes op. Or, let's see in the first example, when M, which says M, is added to O, P together. It says mop, mop, mop. T and op together forms top, top. Top means lattu. Now, let's look at another O word family. O and D together forms odd, odd. Now, if we add C to OD, it says cord, odd, cord, cord. Similarly, when P is added to odd family, it says pod, pod. As pod is matar ka chilka, as when you see peas in a pod, pod. Similarly, when we add R to OD, it says rod, rod. Now, let's look at OY family, which says O and Y, says oi. Now, here the sound of Y is Y. O and Y. Oe nahi hoega. It's oi. Alright? Now, let's look at the first example. B and oi together says boy. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. Similarly, T-O-Y, toy. Toy. Let's see ot family. O-N-T together says ot. C, when added to O-T, it says, C says k. K, ot. Cot. Cot. What is cot? Cot matlab manji, a small bed. Now let's look at the next word. P-ot. Pot. P-O-T, pot. Pot जिसके अंदर हम गमला लगाते हैं. A plant is placed in which it is called, a plant is placed in a pot. Now, let's look at ob family. O and B together forms ob. J and OB together says job. Job, job. Job means work, where your mama and papa also goes. And even your teacher and me also works for a job. Next word is, that is S. Sob. OB together says sob. Sob. Now, let's come to og family. OG says og. Look at this. Log. Log, log, log. Now, let's look at this. H and OG together says hog, hog. Let's see another family of O, which is ox family. Which family? Ox family. O and X together says ox, ox. B-O-X says box, box. F-O-X together says fox, fox, fox. Box, fox. Box, fox. Children, in today's class, we have learned about O-word family with 3-letter words. Now, in the next class, I will teach you more. But before I leave or end my class here, you have to read these letters at least 2 times more. You have to read these words yourself independently at least 2 times more. So, keep on revising and reading it loud. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye.